How to add notes to your trip in TripIt. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add notes to your trip in TripIt, and this is how to go about it. Okay, the first step is to launch the TripIt app on your mobile device, then select the trip you want to add notes to. On the trips page, move to the bottom right corner and click on the plus icon. After clicking on the plus icon, you will be brought to the add plans page. So on this page, the plan that you'd like to add is notes, right? So scroll down and click on notes. By clicking on notes, you will be brought to the add notes page. So go ahead and add the title of the note. Alright, so if it's a journal, for example, you can just go ahead and add that. So for example, journal or gratitude, then entering the date of the note, entering the address, the website, and then go ahead and add the note. So after adding the note, move to the top right corner where you can see a memory icon and just click on it, and your notes will be saved to your trip and added successfully. So this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching and have a good day.